Hi, thanks very much for the question about your Hotpoint cooker, HDM67G0CCX. In the email you've sent me, you've said that the digital timer is not displaying, and I'm going to quickly talk you through what to do. You'll have to excuse the location. I'm up on the mountains in northern Spain at the moment, waiting to go to Barcelona to film a factory that manufactures selector switches, but because of all the adverse weather that's going on in Spain at the moment, Barcelona has had serious rain, so I'm staying here in the mountains. So I've brought the bike out today to actually do a trip up in the mountains. Anyway, let's just go through the question with your cooker. You say the timer is not displaying any digital lighting at all. The first thing you're going to have to do is gain access to the timer, and on some of these cookers you're going to have to take the actual hob off to gain access to the timer. I haven't got a workshop manual on this Hotpoint, as Hotpoint are very poor at giving the general public and myself the correct information on these cookers, but I can tell you, once you've got access to the timer, you will normally have 1 or 2 relays on the timer. Now, if it's a single relay, that means it's only controlling the bottom oven, but if it's a twin relay, then it's controlling both ovens. Now, you'll also find on those relays there's normally 2 wires on each relay. Those you don't need to worry about. There'll be an additional 2 wires going to the circuit board on the timer. Now, with a multimeter, and carefully reconnect the cooker back to the power supply, making sure that nothing is resting on any steel so you don't get a short or anything. Test if you have power going to the timer. Just use a multimeter on 240 volts, and if you test those 2 wires going into the timer, if you have voltage, then we know that the timer is faulty. If you don't have voltage, then you may have either a problem with the selector switch or possibly the connection block at the back of the cooker. Now, as I said, I'm going to create a web page for you, and the link is in the description below. This will also have exploded diagrams of your cooker to show you where all the components are. But I do apologise for not being able to get you a workshop manual on this. Hotpoint now has actually been taken over by Beco, which was part of the Whirlpool group before, but Beco now have acquired the whole company. Let's hope that they see the light of day and start producing good workshop manuals on the Hotpoint stuff for the general public and engineers like myself. Anyway, as I said, I'm in northern Spain, and I'll just take you for a look around because I've stopped off to charge some battery on the cameras on the motorbike because I do a lot of filming when I'm up here, and the scenery is absolutely stunning. I'll just grab hold of the camera for you so I can show you. And if you have a look around here, let me just flick this around. Have a look at that for a view. The thing that gets me about these mountains is the sheer silence. Anyway, I hope this article helps you and this video response helps you with your cooker. If you do need any further assistance, feel free to contact us, but I do take a while to get back to you at the moment as I am travelling. Thanks very much for your question. Good luck with your repair.